This is cabin 2564. It is a ocean view connecting cabin. Behind the door you have life vest, safety information. Your muster station will be C10 in this room. You also have your do not disturb sign here. You have your closet here, which is a sort of walk-in situation where you'll have your life vest, laundry bags, more life vests at the top, some hangers. Have a couple of hooks here, as well as the main light switch. Your bathroom is a cocoon shower. A few hooks up here. You have a vanity here, which does open for storage behind the mirrors. Here's some ports. The mirror does light up for you here. There is some tissue as well as a blow dryer. A TV. The TV does swivel back and forth. You can turn it either towards the bed or towards the chair. There is a chair here. This is a connecting cabin over there. And you have, of course, the bed with the porthole window. So if you're interested in booking this cabin or any other cabin or Royal Caribbean, email me at seawithc@gmail.com. I also can transfer your casino offers. It's Sea with C. Thanks for traveling with me. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.